Ciao, I'm Enrico, and welcome to CC3D Projects. This is where wild 3D printable mons and pure maker madness come to life. If you're deep into 3D printing, like really deep, you're in the right spot. Let me introduce you to my dream team of printers, the real MVPs of the workshop. First came Gino, a first-gen Bamboo X1C, the OG. Then came Ugo, the speedy little Bamboo A1. Next up, Ida, small but fierce. And last, but absolutely not least, Dado, the queen herself, my Elegoo Centauri Carbon. Just wait till you see how many hours these ride-or-die machines have printed for me. Now let me take you on a little trip down memory lane. Here's the story behind some of my early designs, the ones that kicked off this whole adventure. Drawer 2, the godfather of drawers. With his trusty sidekicks and the legendary poop pipe. Drawer HPV, that's high poop volume. For when your purge just won't quit. HDRI system, the ultimate dryer for your AMS. And the mighty Hydra. Every one of these models and projects was born from a need, something that had to be solved, fixed, or improved. I've been busy designing and testing all sorts of awesome stuff. A couple of drawers for the Bamboo A1, check. A custom drawer for the A1 Mini, done. Even a full enclosure with AMS, you bet. Oh, and let's not forget the big one, an enclosure for the A1 with AMS and an integrated poly dryer. Yep, that's a thing now. Still not enough? Don't worry, there's more. I've already released some, and even more are on the way. Drawer, poop pipe, razor, and a dry spool box for the Elegoo Centauri Carbon. Drawer and razor for the KeyD Plus 4. A custom drawer and razor for the Creality K2 Plus. Yep, even a drawer and razor for the Anycubic Cobra S1. And of course, a drawer and razor for the one and only Bamboo H2D, a true legend. Like tons of other models too. Always useful, never boring, and I'm sure you'll find something you'll appreciate. And if you're into this kind of stuff, follow along, show some support, and spread the word. There's a fellow maker here who's all in on creating cool things to make life easier and a lot more fun for the community. Thank you, and ciao.